Hello everyone, welcome to another new episode. We will be highlighting two of my new collections in Team Transport Hot Wheels. So the first one is Porsche 959 from 1986 with the Euro hauler. Very neat casting, I must say. I like the hauler. It's very clean looking casting. I'm not unboxing it as of yet, but maybe later on. So far I'm keeping it boxed. This is one of my very first few team transports. I will be creating some more new videos with the team transports. This is another one, which is the Willys. So 33 Willys with the speedways. This is another one which I collected along with my Porsche. I really like how cool they have designed the flames along with the black. It really looks very beautiful. Here's the quick question. Comment down below, if you have to pick one, Willys or Porsche, which one you will pick? Thanks for watching guys, and please do subscribe. I would really appreciate your support towards on this channel, and I will keep bringing on and spotting diecast cars in this channel. Thank you for supporting.